Hi go-getters, queens, and everyone in between. It's your girl Grace and welcome to my channel, Gracefully Vlog. As you see, my hair is straight, but the humidity of Houston has gotten to my hair and I really want to have a curl in my hair without using heat. So today I am going to flexi rod my hair without using any products except for Chi Silk Infusion. But before I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that like button and make sure you leave a comment. Let's get started. I am only going to be using 5 purple flexi rods for this style, as well as the Chi Silk Infusion that I mentioned. A lot of people use it for flat ironing, but in the instructions it said you can use it for styling as well. So I'm gonna give that a try. And then I'm gonna use this dimming brush. That's it. All right, so I'm going to take the Chi Silk Infusion, put a little bit in my palm, about this much, and I'm gonna work it through my hair as evenly as possible. It has a little bit of a manly smell, not in a bad way. It's not like too much, but like if my husband had this, I'd be like, hey, how you doing? So now I'm just brushing my hair with the Denman brush, and I am taking my time. Again, like I said, I went out and it was raining and the humidity just poofed up my straight hair, but it's gonna be all right. So I'm just combing through it, make sure I get the back. And now we're gonna start with the flexi rods. Like I said, I only plan to use 5 flexi rods, so I'm pretty much gonna do this in big sections. And the way I'm going to flexi rod my hair is I'm gonna kind of start from the middle and then just wrap it around. And people wrap their hair on flexi rods many different ways, but I like it this way. As you know, I had locks, so I haven't flexi rodded my hair in quite a long time. So you see that? So now I'm just closing it and closing it. Nice. See how easy that is? And so I have really enjoyed so far being a loose natural, even with the weather out here. I just wanted to show you guys a style that you could use without heat and without using a lot of product. See, I want to keep this in for, I'm hoping, a month. Fingers crossed on that, but even if it makes it like 3 weeks, I will be a happy camper. So you see, I'm just bending it. Bending, 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 bending. And closing. All right, now I'm gonna start on the other side. So I am going to do the same exact thing to this side. I am going to take my flexi rod, turn it around the rod, and roll it, roll it, roll it, and then clasp it. Also, as you see, I'm not using any product because I do not want my hair to be hard. I want to keep the style soft for as long as possible. I am all flexied up. I'm going to put my bonnet on my head, and I'll see you in the morning. And I am back. It is not the next morning. It's actually later in the evening the next day. But I'm finally going to go ahead and take these flexi rods out now. I did want to clarify one thing. When I said I wanted to keep my hair like this for 3 weeks up to a month, I wasn't talking about in the flexi rods. I meant keeping it straight. Because as the humidity comes and goes, my hair swells and curls up. So I'm trying to keep it straight. But this flexi rod style, I only want to wear it for a few days. All right, so as you remember, I'm only using one product, and that's the Chi Silk Infusion. And no, they are not a sponsor. Maybe one day, but they're not a sponsor today, okay? So I'm just going to take, when I say a little bit, not even a dime's worth. Now put it in my hands like this on my fingertips, because when I take it out of the Flexi rods, I want it to have a little more shine. So as you see, I'm unwrapped. Oh, look at that curl, y'all. Look at that curl. Curl, baby, curl. All right. And we're on number 2. These curls look magnificent, y'all. So happy with it. All right. Actually, let me save this one. If y'all notice, this one right here kind of fell down, which I did not know. Well, this feels weird. How did I wrap this one? Y'all, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Ugh, I hope I didn't mess that up. I think I curled it the wrong way. Oh well, we'll see what happens. All right. And I didn't want to cut the takedown process because I want you to see it. Yeah, that one was much easier. Curl. And then this is the last curl. All right. Okay, what did I do with this? It's a little wave. All right. You know what? It's so funny. When I was putting my hair on the Flexi rod, I think I ended up like turning one like this as opposed to just doing the flat curl. So that must be what happened. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out just by using my fingers. I'm not going to use a comb because I want it to last. All right, so I'm going to separate it now. And I'm not going to use a comb, like I said. And I'm not going to separate it too much because I do not want to not have curls by the time it is nighttime. So there we go. I'll do that. Okay. So it looks like regardless of the way I curled it, it doesn't matter because the curls are still staying. And that little wave actually, I guess, gives it a little bit of personality. All right. And get a bit of the back. All right. All right. And it looks like that is that. And I'm going to stand up and show you what it looks like from the front to the back. It's bouncy. I really, really, really like it. And like I said, I am not going to be using any hairspray or anything to harden it because I want to keep my style soft for a while until I'm ready to put product in it. So this was a way to actually do your hair heatless, get those nice bouncy curls. And I do like the Chi Silk Infusion. I feel like it made my hair a lot more shiny and soft. So I'm really, really loving it. In order to keep this style up at night, you can always go ahead and flexi rod your hair again, or you can try pin curls. So what I'm gonna do in the next video, I'm going to show you how to pin curl your hair heatless, okay? So thank you all for joining, and please subscribe to my channel. And as always, remember, there is no such thing as a box. Let's go get it.